Hi, good morning. Uh, Welcome to another edition of Coffee with CartLawAlabama. I'm Daryl Cartwright, an attorney based in Birmingham, Alabama, and practicing throughout the state of Alabama. It's been a minute since we've last spoken, or since I've last done one of these Coffee with CartLawAlabamas, and today's is going to be a little bit different. Most of my clients and friends and colleagues know me as a business lawyer, and that's my background. I do a lot of uh, tax work, estate planning, probate, representing businesses with their contracts or whatever they may need. My education was based on that. I focused on tax law in school, passed the CPA exam, went and obtained a master's degree in tax law, and I enjoy doing that work, and I do a lot of it. But what I'm talking about today is something different. I also enjoy representing individuals who have been victimized by the improper practices of others. And I know that sounds ambiguous and unclear, but let me explain. Usually what I'm talking about is a class action where a company, usually a large company, has completely failed to do what they should do, engaged in some sort of illegal practice, something not consistent with law, and our efforts attempt to remedy that situation. Today, what I wanted to talk to you about was the town of Brookside, Alabama. And many of you may know the town of Brookside if you're from this area, or even if you're outside the geographical area. It's been picked up by national news. CNN, MSNBC, Newsweek have all had stories on it, as well as a wonderful piece of reporting by John Archibald at AL.com. And today I'm not going to get on my soapbox and talk about what they're doing and rail, and you can find other places to do that on Facebook or anywhere on the internet. But what I want to talk to you today is about what I'm doing. I am part of a team of attorneys who have filed 2 class action lawsuits against the town of Brookside. We represent, in one of them, individuals who have been charged with crimes, and then in a second one, individuals who were not charged with any crime. The one in which someone was not charged with a crime had his car taken. He wasn't in his car. It had been borrowed by a friend, and the police took his car, would not give it back. We eventually filed suit. The suit continues to this day. We have obtained his car back for him, but the suit continues. In the other case, we represent a class of people who have been charged with crimes that we believe to be improper for various reasons and have been subjected to paying fines or penalties and court costs, and suffered other damages such as loss of their property and sometimes payment of attorney's fees in order to defend against these criminal charges. As I said, I'm not going to get into the merits of it, although we certainly believe that the cases have merit, and we're fingers crossed hoping to succeed in getting some of the practices that we believe to be wrong stopped permanently. In any event, that's today's Coffee with CartLawAlabama. I hope you have a good rest of the week, and we'll see you next time.